Once you have uploaded your ITR online, you need to verify it to complete the return filing process. Please note that if you do not verify your return within 120 days of ITR uploading, your ITR may be declared as invalid. E-verification is the easiest way to verify your ITR. It is quick, paperless, safe, and you receive instant acknowledgement. If you e-verify your ITR, you do not need to send a physical copy of your signed ITRV to the CPC Bengaluru. In this video, you will learn the most common and easy-to-use e-verification options. You can e-verify your return with or without logging into the e-filing portal. To access this facility without logging in, click on the e-verify return link on the e-filing homepage. Enter your PAN, AY, and acknowledgement number from your ITRV. This option is available only from AY 2019-20 onwards, and is not applicable for returns where DSC is mandatory, and for returns filed by an authorized signatory or representative, assessee. On the next page, you will see the options to e-verify your return, which are EVC or Aadhaar OTP. An EVC is a 10-digit unique alphanumeric code sent to your mobile and email registered with your bank or demat account. It will be valid for 72 hours. Aadhaar OTP is a 6-digit numeric code received on your mobile number registered with Aadhaar. The OTP will be valid for 15 minutes only. If you want to choose the EVC option and haven't generated an EVC before, you can do so on this page either through your pre-validated bank account, or net banking, or pre-validated demat account. Note that one EVC can be used to verify only one return. Thus, if you revise a return that is already verified, you need to generate a new EVC to e-verify that ITR. To generate EVC using your pre-validated bank account, you need to have a validated and EVC-enabled bank account on e-filing, and ensure your name and PAN as per e-filing match with your bank records. To generate EVC via net banking, you need to avail the net banking facility of a bank which allows you to e-verify your ITR, and link your PAN with the bank account. To use this option, you will be logged out of the e-filing portal, and will need to log in through net banking. To generate EVC using your pre-validated demat account, you need to have a validated and EVC-enabled demat account in e-filing, and ensure your mobile number and email are linked to your demat account, and validated by your depository, that is, NSDL or CDSL. To use the Aadhaar OTP option, you need to link your Aadhaar to your mobile number and PAN. If you choose option 1 or 2, enter the EVC in the text box. If you choose option 3, enter the OTP in the text box. Click Submit. Now, let's see how to e-verify returns after logging in. To access this facility post-login, click on the button to log in to the e-filing portal. Enter your user ID, password, and captcha code. Then, click the Login button. Go to the My Account tab, and click the E-Verify Return option. Click the E-Verify link on the return you wish to verify. Select any one option to e-verify your return. If you choose option 1 or 2, enter the EVC in the text box. If you choose option 3, enter the OTP in the text box. Click Submit. Once done, you will see an acknowledgement that your income tax return has been successfully verified. The acknowledgement will be also sent on your registered email address. Once your return has been successfully uploaded and e-verified, your e-filing process is complete. In addition to these e-verification methods, the other options are generate EVC through bank ATM and using digital signature certificate, DSC. For an individual taxpayer, it is recommended to e-verify your return using EVC or Aadhaar OTP on the e-filing portal, from the comfort of your home.